Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on Asus ROG Ally. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start, open your settings, then find the apps, select default apps, and on Windows 11 it's a bit more complicated to change default apps, and what you need to do is to find the app you want to set as a default for a certain action. And for example, we're gonna go for the Firefox. Now you'll find your app right here. You can click on it, and then on the top right corner you can set it as a default, in this case a browser. And also you'll see all of the extensions you can change this Firefox browser to be. So for example, when we open a PDF, it will now open this PDF file using the Microsoft Edge, but we can change it to the Firefox by clicking on this pop-up, switch anyway, go for the Firefox and set it as a default. And you can do that with basically any extension or whatever. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.